Hi friends, hope you guys are ready to know about my experience in the first internship. Myself, Vinay, I was completed second year of BTech CSC branch at Presidency University. Actually, most of the people get a chance at internship only at the final year of the BTech. So it's an it's uncommon for all the BTech universities, but in my presidency university, I got a chance of internship for two times in these 4 years of BTech. Now, I am studying the third year, and at more, of course, I completed my first internship very successfully. And coming to the point, my IP is at Zinavo. Zinavo, it's a company, it's a software company. It was the founder of this company is three people, and the name of them is Mr. Najas sir, Mr. Karthikeyan sir, and Mr. Sudhakar sir. These are the three people who were established the Zinavo company. They were started with each other, and they the three people are the childhood friends. And where is the Zinavo? The Zinavo is a digital marketing company, and it is located in the Bangalore Banaswadi area. So this is the only one company is located in the Bangalore, and there is no other companies in any other countries. Zinavo is dealing digital marketing companies. So what is do you know about the digital marketing? Can I know the answer from this? No, yeah. But of course, I also don't know about the digital marketing company. What does it mean by digital marketing? I also don't know. But before going to the internship, but after completion of my internship, I cleared about the digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing. Do you know first of all what is the marketing? Do you know that? I will tell you the difference between the olden marketing and the nowadays modern digital marketing. What do you know about the old traditional marketing? Do you know about that? Yeah, most of the people will know that, and some are like just know a little bit information about that. I will show you the example. I will tell you in detail with an example. So, what is meant by traditional marketing is, so for example, you can think for of 30 seconds, you can think me as a salesman. So just think for the 30 seconds. Not I'm not a salesman, and just think about the 30 seconds in that I am a salesman. So in the olden days, before the digital marketing is growing up, in the traditional marketing is upside compared to the digital marketing. In the olden days, what is meant by traditional marketing? Now I'm going to tell you. I'm going to explain about the traditional marketing. So think I'm what I told. Think I am a traditional doing person, and I am a salesman. So now let us say I'm a salesman. I'm going to in front of the house, and I am going to explain about a product, power bank, and also we can also tell about the Bluetooth headphones, about the piece product. I want to sell. Then this is the target given my boss. So what is the salesman is going to do? He will come to your house and he will explain about these products. This is the power bank and how much the charge, how much the capacity, how many times it will work. This and all he will explain by the salesman, but it means by me. And what is the target to me is I have to satisfy to you people to at any cost you have to buy these products. So for example, I am telling if you buy this product with the cost of very affordable price, and if you buy this product, this the Bluetooth headphones is free for this. So this is a very amazing affordable price. So you have to take this. So like everything the way we have to speaking, the way we have to communicate with the customers, it should be clear and everything should be clear. And finally, at any cost, we should be in the position the customer should buy this product, and we should fulfill the customer needs and also us, not only the customer, and we also feel satisfied after customer buy this product. That is also called as traditional marketing. And we can say that one of the traditional marketing, we can say another example like after completion, we can see most in my days, after completion of your 10th class examinations or any other schools, and there are any other situations in the outside, when you are coming outside from the shop or house or shopping malls, everything, when you are coming outside, we can see nowadays we are seeing very rarely that situation like most of the people are waiting, like just standing and holding the papers, bunch of papers, and they were waiting for some time, and they were distributing the each paper to everyone. They were distributing the each and every paper. Why they are, if they have any this much of this bunch of papers, they will distribute the papers, everything in that paper. What is there in that papers? Do you know? Yeah, we all know in that papers they are, it's like marketing type. They're about a particular products they were posting in the advertisement type, and in that advertisement they were showing some offers and everything like that. They were attracting the people through this marketing. This is called traditional marketing. So I guess you get an idea about the traditional marketing. But now, coming to the point, digital marketing. What is digital marketing? First of all, what is marketing? Marketing in online is so many times, so many types. So some of the marketing types are: first, digital marketing, email marketing, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and search engine optimization. It is used for, mostly used for, preferable for digital marketing, the first one. Nowadays digital marketing is trending, and if you have a digital marketing company, if you started a digital marketing company, you will get big profits. So for coming to the point, do you know what is the software companies are going to deal, and what is the software companies are going to handle the clients, how they are handling, how they are doing the, how they are communicate with the clients, everything? Do you know about this? Well, if you know, it's okay. But if you don't know, just listen. Before going to internship, I too don't know what is the software companies are going to do and what is the work we have to do. After completion of BTech, we have to go and search for the job, and after that, we have to do whatever the work, the process, repeating. That day, first day, whatever the work we are doing in the job, the same process we have to do, the same process, step by step, day by day, we have to do the same process through that every day. How many days, how many years you're working in that company, you have to do the, you have to repeat the same process for so many days. I thought like this, but coming to the point, don't think like that. But we are doing the same way, but there is little bit change. Like, we have to do the same process by day, but we should think smart. Smart means like the, what are the process we are doing today, the process, same process we have to doing that tomorrow, and day after tomorrow doing the same process, but it should be quite different from the thinking and the way you are doing the work. Everything should be different. Like, we have to fulfill the customer needs and requirements. That is the software company is going to do, and what the software companies are means, and they will create the application program, and then the mobile apps, and some software using the codings, everything. So these and all they will use, and then they will create, and they will just throw in online. The people nowadays, people don't want to waste the time, because they wanted to sit in the time, in that time they want to search in the mobile, they want to see the YouTube videos, everything. They don't want to waste the time. Instead of going there, from here to there is some petrol charge, and they are thinking so many things. So instead of that, they were sitting at home in one place, and whatever they want, clothes, they want belt, they want some objects, they want some electronic goods, everything. They, if they want, everything should be displayed on the online in detail. Whatever the color of the laptop, for example, you have a laptop, you want to buy a laptop, they don't want to go to the laptop shop. They, people will sit at home, they will just search in Google and Amazon, Flipkart, everything. They don't want to waste the time like that, because everything in detail is explained in the online. So whatever the color, RAM, ROM of the laptop, what are the processor speed, everything should be mentioned in that. So why you can differ that? So what, did you face any problem from that? No, we cannot face. Whatever the product you're going to there and buying the product, and the same thing you are facing, and then same thing you are realizing, and like, what can you say that? Yeah, we are feeling the same thing, feeling better. How when you go and buy there, the same feeling we can feel when you sit at home. It should be something different because we cannot waste our work and we cannot waste our time. So that is the marketing. So coming to the point, the main thing, what is the digital marketing in Zinavo? There were the three steps is following. One is in digital marketing, there are three types of strategies there, like the design, development, and then SEO. Do you know what is design? So we can use HTML coding using a design for designing. So I can say Photoshop. Yeah, because this company using the Photoshop, the latest version 2019 model. It's an inbuilt model and not in it's not an inbuilt model. It's a paid version and they buy that and they updated everything whatever the customer, whatever the client needs. The first of all the process they are doing the designer. In this company the designer is Tamim bro, yeah, we call as bro. We everything because the age is little bit different, but even though we cannot call we can call as bro. So Tamim bro helped me to teach the day he teaches the sometime even though he is having work and he teaches me the designing for Photoshop. So I created some of the I practiced in my laptop so many designs, some websites, and I am thinking that's little bit different and searching in the Google and some websites and taking from one. I am selecting the font, everything. I can all combining and doing one website. That is a little bit thinking forward. And one more is design. In this company, what is the designer will do? First, the client will come and the client will explain to the designer what is the client is going to do, like what is the requirement, what is the font, what is the color of the website, what is the keyword name, what is the company name, everything should be detailed and they should write on one paper and they should mention everything in detail in one paper and they will give to the designer and designer will create everything. After creating a designer will pass that image to the client. What the client will do, if the client will satisfy, for example you can think me as a client, if the designer showed my designer showed and designer completed, I given a task to designer showed me to so this completed to whether it is satisfied or not, he will ask, so what can I do? If I satisfied, okay, it's okay, then you can proceed with this image. I can say like this, and if it is not satisfied by me, so I can say it is not good, so I want to change the color here and I want to change something updates I want, so I want to tell to them. And afterwards the designer who is sitting in the company, he will come to know and we will both sit at each other and we will discuss about everything. We should keep on updating everything. Finally, once the project given to the designer is approved by the client, it's done, almost done. So designer part is done, so it moves to the developing part. After design, the developing part. So now developing part is like this. So do you know what is development? In each company there are so many, there like WordPress, Joomla, using development for coding. These are the codings: WordPress, Joomla, and then CMS, and then yeah, this company is mainly using the JavaScript. Do you know JavaScript? Yeah, you better to learn. I know. I think you learned about the JavaScript mostly. So using the JavaScript, it is too good to updo development website. So now I am going to tell you about how they are developing and how they are using SEO. Development is like, for example, after creating everything in detail in this page, in the design image, what is meant by development? Do you know that? Development means after creating a particular image, when the mouse is going to there, the development should develop like when the mouse going on that particular option. For example, if I go on to the sign in and then click on that mouse, the development will do when the user click on the sign in, it will redirect to the next page and then shows the username, password, like that is called development. So after completion of whole things development is like looking stylish, you can develop everything should be comes under development. But we cannot know how the developer will face a problem and how the developer will we work hard to develop, but we can see only the design. So we can see the only the appearance part. We can I can also say the example, like take the example about this. Do you know about, for example, I can take reality example. I will tell, and for example, if you have any birthday party, we can see the cake. So in that cake, first what you can see? Do you see the inside cake or outside cake? Of course, we can see the inside, we can eat that, but we can see the first part is design, how the cake is designed. So here I am relating that design and developing part to the cake. Like the cream is like design. With the cream we are using to make it design, and the developing the cake is cake. Inside the cake is the developing part, and outside the cake design is the designing part. That is called the design and development. So now, after everything is completed by the design and developer, we can move on to the SEO. What do you know about SEO? Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means what? Search engine optimization. That's it. Do you know that? No. Okay. But some of you know, but it's okay. You can just listen for some time. It's completed everything. And search engine optimization is like, it will keep you after completion of the design of your page, and then we can develop everything. This page. After this, this page particular having some particular keyword, your company name or your company keyword, like www with a particular domain www.com, like in that dash what is your company name, you can put that .com, like that. For example, if you are having a some product selling, like you can mention as some product, not a product, it's an object, like bikes product, everything, like insurance you can take. If you are having an insurance company, you are developer, and you are designer, and you are developed by designer and developer. And now if I search in Google insurance companies near me, or insurance companies in Bangalore, or insurance companies in some other place, or everything, whatever I search, I want my website in the first page. In the first page also I want to be in the top place. For that, what you can do? Do you know that? Using the SEO, we can do that. Yeah. Using the SEO. SEO is of two types: on-page SEO and the off-page SEO. Using the on-page SEO, we can directly update your website, and we can improve our website ranking very fast. But what is meant by off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is like, we have to take time. It may be, for example, if your website is having the localized keywords, it will take 3 months to keep ranking in the high page. For example, if you are having the particular website having the globalized keywords, it will take 6 months. So we have to wait, and we have to work hard. If you work hard, even though that is the global keyword, if you work hard, keep on working day by day, then you will get ranked before 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You may get, because if you didn't work hard, even the 6 months after also you didn't rank, because depends on the work you are doing by the off-page SEO technique people. So these are the types of doing by the Zinavo company. So I feel better, and I feel very friendly nature in this company. And this was my first video I done successfully. So have a nice day. Thank you. And finally, I forgot to show them my certificate. After completion of my internship, I got a certificate. It should be like this. They given me the certificate for completing my internship. So we can use this certificate for the future things, like when you are going for the job, you can, in your profile, you can update the certificate, so it will be more useful, and they will think, yeah, this person have some idea about the company, like that. So finally, thank you. Have a nice day.